This is Trayanne with the FRVTA, and I am at the Florida State Fairgrounds for Industry Day of the 2024 Florida RV Supershow. The Florida RV Supershow is a huge show, but the FRVTA team has somehow managed to make it bigger than ever this year. In fact, the Supershow is the largest RV show in the U.S. With over 1.3 million square feet of packed display space, there is an RV here for everyone. Manufacturers have spared no expense in bringing you the latest models with stunning designs and advanced features. RVers from all over the world descend on Tampa every year to see the unveiling of cutting-edge RVs, explore innovative technology, and discover the best in spacious Class A's, luxury Class A diesels, versatile Class C's and Super C, fuel-efficient Class B camper vans, perfect for the city or your off-road adventures, luxury fifth wheels, travel trailers of all sizes from destination to teardrop, toy haulers with space for the crew and their toys, truck camper options for every size truck, park models, and comfortable yet easy to tow folding campers. In addition to the staggering number of RVs on display, we have over 350 RV lifestyle booths of all types, from RV resorts and RV rentals to RV products of every imaginable type. There is something here for everyone. Set aside time to attend one of our daily educational seminars or connect with fellow enthusiasts at social influencer meetups, exchange stories, and forge new friendships. As you explore the expansive showgrounds, be captivated by roving, family-friendly entertainment. And when it comes to satisfying your taste buds, indulge in the culinary delights offered by the amazing food trucks scattered throughout the event. And make sure to register to win a 2024 Jayco J-Flight SLX being given away to one lucky winner. Just stop by the iPad displays as you enter the gate. Whether you're a seasoned RVer or a first-time enthusiast, the Florida RV Supershow has everything you need to plan your adventures on the road. The Florida RV Supershow is being held at the Florida State Fairgrounds January 17th through 21st. The gates are open to the public Wednesday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, FRVTA, for sneak peek and opening day videos of all of our regional multi-dealer RV shows, the annual Super Show, and highlights of our amazing Florida attractions, state parks, and RV resorts. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the show.